Welcome students. This is second part of important MCQs of chapter Water Treatment of Applied Science Chemistry. Postcode is 22202 and 22211. Question number 25 is the reversal of solvent from higher concentration to lower concentration solution through semi-permeable membrane. It is the main principle of what? Ion exchange, soda-lime process, reverse osmosis or zeolite process. It is the main principle of reverse osmosis process, that is RO. Then next question is the hardness of water. It is expressed in term of what? Unit is given kg per liter, moles per liter, gram per liter or ppm. It is expressed in ppm, that is parts per million. Then sedimentation is carried out by which process? By adding alum. Then second, by allowing water to stay undisturbed for sometimes several hours in a large tank. This is the answer. Sedimentation is carried out by allowing water to stay undisturbed. Then 28th question is during the softening of hard water, the insoluble salts are converted into soluble salts. This is known as softening of water. Then acceptance pH range for drinking water is what? It is 7 to 8.5. It is acceptable pH range for drinking water. That means it should be slightly alkaline in nature. Potable water treatment does not involve C, that is demineralization. It includes these processes, that is coagulation, disinfection, sedimentation, but demineralization, it is treatment for softening of hard water. Then if hydrostatic pressure in excess to osmotic pressure is applied to higher concentration solution, then solvent flows reverse. This is the principle of reverse osmosis process. Question number 32 is chlorine when react with water produce powerful germicide. It is called as hypochlorous acid, and this hypochlorous acid gives HCl and nascent oxygen, and that nascent oxygen is powerful germicide again. When boiler is steaming rapidly, some particles of liquid water are mixed with the steam and pass from the boiler along the steam. The process it is known as priming. This is the priming process, and when there is formation of foam, then it is known as foaming process. The process of destroying disease causing bacteria and microorganisms from water is known as what? It is known as sterilization. The soap, it is a mixture of sodium salt of fatty acid, that is first option is the correct answer. The liquid waste from kitchen, bathroom and wash basins, it is called as domestic waste. When soft, loose, slimy deposits are formed inside the boiler and do not stick up, it is known as sludge. When they are stick up, then it is known as scale. Water containing sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium, it is called as permanent hard water. And when there are carbonates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, then it is called as temporary hard water. The total hardness of potable water should be less than 500 ppm. The approximate chemical formula of zeolite is last one, that is Na2Al2Si2O8 6H2O. It is the formula of permutate or zeolite. Water is passed through filter beds of sand and gravel to remove smaller particle of dust. It is called as sedimentation. Sorry, this is called as filtration, not sedimentation. This is the answer. It is called as filtration. Now next question is hardness in water is the characteristics which prevents lathering of soap, that means foam formation prevention. It is known as hardness of water. This is the test to determine hardness and softness of water, that is soap test. The process of wet steam formation in boiler by using hard water, it is known as priming. Then blow down operation in boiler cause removal of sludge and scale both. The substance that can be used as a coagulating agent in water treatment, it is known as ferrous sulfate, or alum. It is also used as coagulating agent in water treatment. Which of the following salts in water will cause the maximum hardness of water? Magnesium chloride cause maximum hardness, that is permanent hardness of water. Disinfection of water during water treatment helps in removal of pathogenic bacteria from water, that is C is the correct answer. Pollution of water bodies can be removed by what? It is removed by treatment of sewage waste before disposal in water bodies. The chemical formula of soda is sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. It is the chemical formula of soda. The gas liberated during batch lime soda process is carbon dioxide. During COD test of sewage, organic matter, it is oxidized by which chemical? It is oxidized by potassium chromate. So these are the questions of second chapter. In next video we will see third chapter.